To register your account as a baptized brother and then join your congregation, open the Organized app and click on the Baptized Brother button on the login page. This option covers all baptized brothers, including those without responsibilities yet. This approach makes it easy to update their roles and rights as soon as they are assigned new responsibilities in the congregation without the need to create a new account. As a next step, you'll see an important message about how the app works and how it keeps your data safe. It's always a good idea to carefully read through it so you understand how everything works, and so you can explain it to others if needed. Once you're ready, click the checkbox to accept and hit Next. Then choose how you'd like to log in. You can use one of the login providers listed at the top, but if you don't use any of those, no worries. Just select Continue with Email and follow the easy steps to log in with your email address. First, request an authentication link to your email, then click on it in the received message, and finally click Log in the app. By the way, logging in with login providers like Google is even faster and easier. Great. At this stage, your personal account is already created. Now you have to inform your congregation's Organized administrator that you've registered in Organized. Provide him with the email address you used for account registration and wait until he assigns you all the necessary roles and rights. Once that's done, reload the page to log in again. You might be prompted to enter your congregation's access code or a congregation master key during this login. If you don't have the codes yet, just ask the brother who serves as your congregation's app administrator and he will help you. After everything is set up, you're ready to start using the app. The cards on your homepage dashboard will vary based on your assigned roles and rights. Your dashboard might be simple like this, include more options like this one, or have other variations depending on your responsibilities. And that's basically it. Your personal user account has been registered and organized in just a couple of minutes and is ready to be used. Enjoy using the app.